Are you planning to start your own Shopify dropshipping business, but you don't know how to design or set up your store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to hire professional Shopify expert on for you create beautiful high converting store for you. Let's get started. Today I'll share a marketplace. This is a global freelance marketplace where you can hire expert for almost anything: Shopify web designing, web development, product research, and more. The best part, you can find top rated Shopify expert and affordable price starting from just $10 to $100 depending your needs. So I'll show you how you can get expert from starting your dropshipping business, and to find best Shopify expert and search your store setup, dropshipping website design, winning product upload, and full e-commerce branding you can get from here. This is a marketplace. This is Fiverr marketplace. This have so many expert for your needs. You can check anything: seller details, top rated freelancer, level 2 seller, new seller, level 1 seller. There are so many experts for your business, and you can flexible your budget value 150 to 225 and high, and custom you can check custom 10 to 30 or anything. You can flexible search here. For set up your Shopify expert, you can check 5-star review, and also you can check there are 5-star review and he complete 30 order, and also he have 5-star review, he have 338 or review. So there are so many expert for or set up your business, and also you can pro freelancer for a set up your website. So many expert in there, so you can check 5-star review, 400 review. They have so many reviews. So this is so amazing for your business starting and one product Shopify store. So many freelancers in here, so don't worry to get your order. So first of all, you have to need anything, you will message on seller and you can check everything. I will open a seller profile. To seller profile, I will check for your business. Then if this he offer 5% off or fast order, so we'll check in. He create Shopify dropshipping store or redesign Shopify website. He 5-star review all and 133 review and 3 orders in queue. 3 orders already running. He is a level 2 seller. 133 review he have. So he set up Shopify store. We'll check he last delivery order 20 hours ago. So he have basic price in $90. Store setup and running product with functional design, and also a standard package 250. There are so many options you can check. And also he was a Shopify expert. He is a level 2 seller. 5 orders in queue. Already he have 5 orders running and 243 review he have. So don't worry, they are very very professional. You can hire them for your Shopify store create, and also you are doing everything from there. There are so many expert for set up your Shopify dropshipping business. Anyone you can check, top rated freelancer, level 2 seller, on level 1 seller, no problem. Any type of store you can create from here. So I hope you are understanding me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video or any helpful, you please subscribe and share our video. I will share every day for finding expert for your dropshipping business. Thank you so much.